I do not know why, but ever since I've been back in Canada, I've been waking up stupidly early. No alarm, no nothing. Once again today, I am awake way too early. It's like 5:54 in the morning, and it's bright outside already. I've actually really liked waking up early. It's been amazing. Not that I don't usually wake up early, but I've been up at 5:45, 6 in the morning without an alarm since I moved back to Winnipeg, just because I have so much light coming into my apartment and the sun rises so early. It's been amazing. We are driving all the way across the city right now, like literally to the edge of the city. Actually, I mean, technically outside the city in like a small town outside the city, but it's like right outside the city, so it's still considered part of the city. We're driving somewhere to get a pair of shoes, which I'm very excited about. You know what, being back in Winnipeg, I've just really realized I don't like driving. I don't like driving at all. I wish I didn't have to own a car, but in Canada, I do. I'd much prefer to just go everywhere on my boosted board, but that's not happening here. On the bright side though, we did get the shoes, which is sick. It is so hot out. It is so hot out. New York gets hot. New York gets hot. Trust me, it gets humid. But Winnipeg just gets so hot outside. It's not even noon yet. And it's boiling. You guys are probably interested in seeing these, I realize. I haven't even seen these. I picked them up and whew, these look much better way better in person. I sort of hated these in pictures, and these look way better in person. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go find somewhere to look at these. Okay, this should do it. I still can't get over, there's just no one in Winnipeg. It's not because of the pandemic, it's just because no one is ever outside in this city. People just sit at home or go to the lake. People don't really walk around Winnipeg. These shoes are so cool, they're so awesome, and oh my goodness, they're so nice. They're so nice. I just stuffed them in my backpack, so I didn't bring the box with me, except, I mean, you guys saw the box. They are indeed the brand new Nike Dunks that released this past week. I think these came out on the 24th or the 25th, and it took a while for them to ship over here because obviously they're not doing in-store releases for lots of these things, but I finally got them in hand. If we are being 100% honest, I completely forget the name of these. The champion Chicago Bears? Can we just call these the Chicago Bears? What are these called? One second. Champ Colors. Okay, I was actually pretty close. They're called the Champ Colors Nike Dunk Lows, and these are way, way, way better than they look in pictures. I was on the fence for these, 100% I was on the fence. I didn't know if I really wanted to get these. I probably would have passed on them if it involved lining up for them, but since it was just an online raffle, I was like, you know what, I'll enter the raffle, I'll see what happens. And these look so much better in person, like so much better. Wow. The leather quality is amazing on these as well. I wanted to bring with me my my Syracuse Dunks, which are going in the July mystery box, link in the description if you want to grab it, but just to sort of compare the leather, because the leather is very similar. The Syracuse Dunks, amazing soft, supple leather, and then these, amazing soft, supple leather, actually holding them right beside each other, this honestly feels a touch better. It's probably just me coming up with that in my head. It's probably honestly the exact same cut of leather, considering that these release so similarly in time to each other, but these feel so good. Like, just the leather is amazing on these, and the colorway in person, just the colors look a lot better. It looks like a Chicago Bears colorway. It looks like it looks like a Chicago Bears colorway. That's pretty much all it looks like. So if you're in Chicago, you probably love these, unless you hate football or love Jay Cutler, and then maybe you don't love these. Another reason I brought these out here is because I wanted to compare these with the Champ color ones as well, because I think something very similar is going to happen. These are currently reselling for around $280 in most normal sizes, like 8 through 11, it's like $280. Size 12, it's like $300. Now, considering that the shoe retails for $100 or maybe 110, but I think 100, that's really expensive. That's 2.5 times retail price. But these ones are reselling for closer to $500. But they were, at this point, they were a $250 shoe after release, and then the price just completely shot up. And I want to give you guys a huge warning that if you want to buy this shoe, do not put it off. If you have the funds now and you really want to buy this shoe and you're able to purchase it, buy it now. Just buy it now, because the price is going to go up. These Dunks are so popular, and on top of that, it's a pair of shoes that people are wearing. This is not a pair of shoes that's like, oh, maybe I'll wear it once or twice a year, like a pair of Off-White 5s or something, that it sits dead stock in your closet for 9 months. This is an everyday pair of shoes that you could wear every day, you could beat up, which means there's not going to be a ton of dead stock pairs, and the market is going to go up and up and up, especially this being a low top and it being summertime. People are going to want to wear these, and then football season is, fingers crossed, going to start, except, I mean, who knows what's happening in the world these days, so maybe there is no football season, but then football season starts and everyone in Chicago wants these. I'm warning you guys right now. Do not tell me that I didn't tell you. Buy them now if you want them, because I'm pretty sure that in like 3 months they're going to be a lot closer to 400 than they are to 300, and maybe even closer to 500 than they are to 300. I just think the price is going to go up on these. When people get them in hand and they see how nice the leather, and the leather is nice, like it is very nice, they are going to regret not buying them, and they are going to buy them, and the price is going to skyrocket. In other news, my friend that was supposed to be plant sitting my plants while I was in New York really almost killed this one. This plant used to look nice. Doesn't really look that nice anymore. I'm probably just gonna, I hate to do it, I'm probably just gonna throw him out. He's not even really connected into the dirt anymore. He lived such a good life. I should have taken him with me to New York. I'm honestly really excited to get more into Dunks though. It's a natural progression from Jordan 1s. It's just such a similar shoe along with the Air Force One. And besides a pair of Black History Dunks that I used to wear like every single day in 2014, 2015, I haven't worn that many Dunks in my life. So I'm super excited to get to try these out some more, to see how comfortable they are, see how they compare to a Jordan 1. I do like the low top. I think these ones would look absolutely perfect, in fact, with the camo pants that I wear all the time. I need to get more pairs. I have 3 pairs, except one of them is like starting to wear out a little bit. I should probably get another pair. I know I wear them all the time. Tom, you wear the same pants all the time. Shut up, shut up, shut up. I like them and they're comfortable. I also like these, and I think these are gonna be very comfortable as well. But guys, thank you so much for watching. And make sure to go check out my website, tomstefaniak.com. There's a link right at the top of the description where it says July Mystery Box. And not only is there the July Mystery Box, except I am listing up hundreds of pairs of shoes on there. I kid you not. We had 50 pairs get listed up this past week. We're going to have another 40 or 50 pairs getting listed up tomorrow afternoon. They're not just my size, they're in all sizes, so keep an eye out for that. You can score some really good prices on some of the stuff that I'm trying to get out of my closet and my storage locker. And if you're still watching at this point in the video, comment Jay Cutler, as in the quarterback from the Chicago Bears, who apparently just didn't really like football that much, and now, I mean former quarterback, except you get it, Jay Cutler. Not Jake Hutler, Jay Cutler, for all you guys that don't watch football. Not that I watch football, I don't really watch much football at all, but these are nice and I like them, and I'm gonna try and clean up my apartment because I've been home for 2.5 weeks and I've barely touched a thing. Guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart, and until next time, peace.